How to change name on WorldRemit. Follow the instructions. Open the WorldRemit app on your phone. Tap on the account icon at the bottom right of the screen. Go to the Settings or Profile section. Select Help and Support from the menu. Tap on Update Account Details. Choose the option to change your name. Read the instructions carefully on the screen. Prepare a government-issued photo ID that shows your correct name. Make sure the ID is not expired and clearly visible. Upload a photo or scanned copy of the ID through the app. Double-check that the name on the ID matches the name you want to use. Submit the name change request. Wait for a confirmation message from WorldRemit. Contact customer service if the update takes too long or you need assistance. Thank you for watching.